If you've been getting the easy anti-cheat is not installed error when trying to play Fortnite, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error quickly and get you back in the game. Before we jump into the fix, let's briefly talk about what Easy Anti-Cheat is. Easy Anti-Cheat is a system designed to prevent cheating and ensure fair play in games like Fortnite. It runs in the background while you play, detecting and blocking cheats or hacks that could give players an unfair advantage. Now let's start with some basic steps to get back to the rolling. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues related to services not loading properly. Verify Fortnite files through the Epic Games Launcher. This ensures no files are missing or corrupted. Here's how to do it. Open the Epic's launcher, go to your library and find Fortnite. Click the three dots next to it and select Verify. The launcher will check your files and download any missing components. Once the process is complete, launch the game again and see if the error is gone. Now, sometimes the issue could be due to a corrupt system file. You may need to run a system file checker. Press the Windows key plus X and select command prompt. Type the command sfc/scan now and press enter. This will scan for your system for corrupt files and appear to repair them. If it also didn't work, you may need to reinstall Fortnite by going back to Epic's Game Launcher, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix the easy anti-cheat not installed error in Fortnite.